It is January on the Canadian coastline of Lake Ontario. The gales have stacked ridges of ice a few hundred yards offshore, grinding and groaning in the waves beneath. It is a forbidding winter world, by all appearances, lifeless. But one of the shapes on the frozen ridgeline is very much alive. A snowy owl has quit the winter tundra to scan this balmy shoreline for other signs of life, by his unblemished white plumage a senior male. From his ice castle he studies the wave-bashed rubble ashore, for experience tells him that in time a shadow will shift. Eyesight keen beyond human imagination fixes on the flicker of a distant whisker. That is all it takes, a hint of motion far away, to launch for a closer look and then a strike. We can but marvel at this drama, at this ice phantom's ability to live by his wits and skills in a realm so hostile, so unforgiving of any incapacity or neglect. To make a living, even to prosper, where any of us would be bankrupt.